lahat nandyan, guys. Thank you so much. Ang English ko ay wala dito. Ambot. Ambot lang sa lubot. My English is not good. Not good. Allah, nagpalipad si ano. Thank you so much sa aking super chatter na si Joy Vlog TV. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa lahat ng pumupunta dito, guys. Thank you. At mag-shoutout ako, guys. Shout out. Shout out kay Maricel Mistera Vlog. Ayan, shout out Madam Foreta. Thank you so much. And Kamra Yak. Ayan, shout out. Marlena Dora. Ayan, thank you so much. DJs. Journey 22. Ayan, mega love shout out. Thank you so much. And shout out kay Lorna Magdi. Lorna Magdi Vlog. And follow me. Ayan, si Lorna yan. Shout out kay Black Nings Jackson. Ayan, thank you so much. Shout out kay Monty House. Ay, hindi ko pala hindi ko ba na play si Monty House. Ayan. Thank you so much, Monty House and Cool Dod Bruman. Ayan, shout out. Shout out kay sino ba to? Estrella Erana. Ayan, shout out Kala. Ayan, shout out kay Abir Islam. Ayan, thank you so much. Shout out kay Eldora. Ayan, si Marlena Dora pa rin. Shout out kay Shamia Lendao. Ayan. Shout out kay Joy Vlog TV. Ayan, thank you so much. Shout out kay Aphrodite John. Ayan, si Joy Vlog TV pa rin yan. Shout out kay BSM KHM. Ayan, shout out. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat, guys. Thank you. Please stand up. Agoy. Paano man ko niya? Patindugon, guys. Ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat, guys. Shout out kay Princess HQ Vlog, Lockstar TV Vlog. Ayan, thank you. I-play ko pala si Monty House. Hindi ko pala dito na-play si Monty House. Sorry, nakalimutan. Meron pa man tayo ng 5 minutes, guys. Yung nandito na hindi ko pa na-play, i-play ko na siya, guys. Pero meron pa tayo time 5 minutes. Yeah, thank you so much sa lahat ng dyan, guys. Thank you and God bless and happy Sunday. Ayan, happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. Thank you. BSM, thank you ka lahat nandito. Joy Vlog TV, Merlanda Dora. Ayan, thank you so much. Sa lahat na nandito, guys, alam nyo na kung sino kayo. Parang may ganon. Ayan, Lorna Magdi. Ayan, thank you. Thank you sa inyo. Walang sawang pag-support. Ayan, thank you so much. Please stand up. I see it. I see it. Your full body. No. I have a big belly fat. Ayan. I have big belly fat. Ayan. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat, guys. Ayan. Sa walang sawang pagsusupport. At malapit na. 4 minutes na lang guys to go.